When you use the framework, it also will allow you to resonate with that customer. They'll read and see and hear your content, and it will feel right for them. Secondly, it helps you to clarify your message. None of this airy-fairy stuff that just is superficial and doesn't get to the nitty-gritty of what it is you can do for them. Clear and concise and persuasive. That's what we want. And thirdly, this framework is going to allow you to increase sales. We're in business, we're here to help more people. Do you want to simplify and automate your marketing process but don't know where to start? Feeling overwhelmed with technology? Or no time to figure out how to grow your business? The Simple Marketing Solutions podcast is for you, my friend. Hi, I'm Amita, your host and guide on this journey towards marketing success. Our podcast is the ultimate destination for small businesses, just like yours, for owners who are looking for help to inspire their digital marketing efforts. Our tailored solutions provide actionable ideas for simplifying and automating the marketing process. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your strategy or in need of inspiration to take your business to the next level, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the latest trends and techniques in digital marketing and share tips and tricks to help you grow your business. This gives you the confidence to make informed decisions regarding your marketing needs. So stay tuned every Wednesday to the Simple Marketing Solutions podcast. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified every week when a new podcast lands. And let's grow your business together. Don't forget to share and like this podcast. Leave us a review so that we can help others just like you. Today, we're talking about the StoryBrand Framework by Donald Miller. This framework is a powerful tool that you can use to help clarify your message and connect more deeply with your customers. It's really based on the idea that people are hardwired to respond to stories. I'm sure that you know that when you hear a story, it stays in your mind longer than just reading something that doesn't feel persuasive or engaging. So, what Donald Miller has done with the StoryBrand framework is that it's a 7-step process that helps you to structure your marketing message. It helps you to create that story. He has based this concept on how movie scripts are written. And you'll see this correlation as we move forward, and I share with you the 7 steps. I picked a movie, Dirty Dancing, one of my all-time favorites, which has definitely stood the test of time in terms of movies, so that I can help you to show you the steps and correlate it to a movie, and you can see the steps there. So the first step is making your audience the hero. It really is important that you're putting them front and center of the story and focusing on what their needs are, what their goals are. So in the movie Dirty Dancing, Baby is the hero. She's the young woman on vacation with her family back in 1963. She has lived a sheltered life, and she's really struggling to find a place in the world. Number 2 moves on to defining your audience's problem. This step is understanding, what are they struggling with? What are their pain points? What are their desires? Back to the movie, Baby's problems are twofold. She has this feeling of being stifled by her family, who wanted to be this prim and proper lady, and she doesn't want to live according to their rules. But she feels lost and alone, and she's feeling like she doesn't know if she'll ever find her place in the world. So number 3 comes to the guide with a solution. That's where you come in, because you are going to be the guide that helps that hero overcome their problems. You can offer them the solution to achieve their goals, to rid themselves of their pain points. And in the movie, Johnny Castle, aka Patrick Swayze, is the rebel dancer, world-renowned, and he sees the potential in Baby that she doesn't see for herself. So he helps her to identify that. Next step is to create that clear plan. Every hero needs a plan in order to succeed, right? So this is where you provide them with the roadmap, the strategy, with your services and your packages so that they can move forward. In the movie, the plan is for Baby to learn to dance and compete in this contest with Johnny. So she focuses all her energy on learning those steps, learning those dance routines. Number 5 is including a clear call to action. How often do we leave this out? What do you want your hero to do? You need to be clear and tell them exactly what it is you want them to do as the next step. So in the movie, we've got Baby stepping outside of her comfort zone. She is embracing her own power, and she needs to learn to trust herself and follow her heart. Number 6, we start to look at discussing the potential for failure. We know in a lot of movies out there, every hero faces challenges along the way. So this step is where you start to discuss the potential failure and how the hero can overcome it. There is always potential failure in any story, but when the hero is equipped with the right tools and strategies and services, they can overcome that. In the movie, Baby has the potential to go up against experienced dancers and feeling like she's not good enough. However, she does it. And number 7 is to end your story with success. Ultimately, the hero needs to succeed in order for the story to feel satisfying. So make sure that you do culminate with a success for the hero. So they can see themselves on this journey and feel that they've come out on the other end, knowing and learning and growing and feeling like they're in a better place. With the movie, Baby has lost her innocence, become an independent, strong woman who is ready to voice how she feels and what she believes in. So why is it important to use the StoryBrand Framework, you might be thinking? Well, there's a few reasons that it's important for your marketing material. Number 1 is that it helps you to connect with your customers on a deeper level. It's not superficial, so it means that you're really telling a story, tapping into that human connection and finding the meaning. When you use the framework, it also will allow you to resonate with that customer. They'll read and see and hear your content, and it will feel right for them. Secondly, it helps you to clarify your message. None of this airy-fairy stuff that just is superficial and doesn't get to the nitty-gritty of what it is you can do for them. Clear and concise and persuasive. That's what we want. And thirdly, this framework is going to allow you to increase sales. We're in business. We're here to help more people. So the key is to get that message out there clearly, concisely, and convert that audience into paying clients. So how do we at Holistic Vision use the StoryBrand Framework? Well, we use it in everything that we do these days, from copywriting for websites that we create for our clients through to writing the content for email marketing. We use it in all our social media and the social media that we work with in terms of working with our clients' social media as well. We have definitely found that this has been effective in helping our clients to start to see an increase in their sales and feeling more confident with their messaging. So, if you're ready to learn how to implement this into your business and start growing a sustainable practice, then you will want to join in with us and book in for a free clarity call with me. In this call, you will receive 3 strategies that you can implement straight away to start growing that business and becoming more clear and concise with your messaging. If you're ready to book that, the link is in the show notes, so don't forget to click on that. And I really look forward to hearing from you. And as always, it's been a great pleasure to have you here listening to the podcast alongside me. If you have enjoyed this episode, please do subscribe to the channel and leave us a review. Every review will allow us to reach more people just like you. Until next time, my friends, happy marketing.